I'm going to show you how to make a drink called a Toucan Sam. And if you're a big kid, aka an adult who still eats Fruit Loops, you are going to love this drink. We're going to start off with our ice. Fill your glass about halfway full, just like that. And then we're going to add in 3/4 of an ounce of spiced rum. Next, we're going to add in 3/4 of an ounce of triple sec, which is an orange liqueur, and 3/4 of an ounce of blue curacao, which is going to give it that fun cereal color. All right. We're then going to add in 3 ounces of pineapple juice. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to give this a good shake. All righty. Go ahead and fill a highball glass with ice. And we're going to strain this into our highball glass, just like so. Lastly, we're going to pour grenadine over the top. Add in a stirry straw, and get ready to enjoy a Toucan Sam. Cheers.